Alright, let's see if we can't take it off with one hand. Bring throttle to the middle. Oh. Nope. I need a little bit more than that. Alright. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Good. So the F7F Tigercat flies again. Come around into the headwind. Good old Suzy Q. You can see the sock is pretty full out. Let's get some height on the return trip. Okay. Alright, I think that's about it for now. Bring it down low for another little low pass. We're catching this. Good. Alright, that's it. Foamy DM out.